Few things on Earth have the destructive power of volcanoes. Did you know they can also be used to create beautiful, long-lasting, and functional works of art? In Chesapeake, Virginia, the folks at Earthcore are producing environmentally safe fireplaces, chimneys, kitchen panels, and wood-burning ovens that are fashionable, functional, and built to last the test of time.
I'm Carl Spadaro. I'm the CEO of Earthcore Industries. At Earthcore Industries, we manufacture modular masonry components that, when they're put together, make fireplaces, chimneys, and other materials that are fireproof and unique. We get this material from Volcano, Hekla in Iceland. It's a very environmentally safe process, but it's from the actual pumice from the volcano. Pumice is the material that is found under the depths of black lava. What we're doing is taking a material that's fireproof and highly insulating, so when actually you do light a wood fire in it or a gas fire, you're getting more reflective heat out of it. So it's a more efficient fireplace, it's a more efficient material.
Isokern fireplaces are modular, with refractive properties that reflect heat out into the room, instead of absorbing it like concrete, masonry, and metal fireplaces do.
We not only make standard fireplaces and standard models, we also make custom fireplaces for people and individuals that want something more unique in their design or their process.
Earthcore's Isokern line has become a favorite with distributors and customers across the country.
My name is Louis Bishop. I'm the owner of Bishop Hearth and Home. We're a distributor of the Isokern product in Memphis and Nashville, Tennessee. The Isokern is a very unique product, not only because of the material that it's made out of, but also how easy it is put together. It's basically an adult version of Legos. We're always getting constant feedback from our architects, our decorators, and our home builders on what they'd like to see. And Isokern is very good about getting out in front of that and getting it to the market before anybody else. We go from basically their normal system that just is a square opening. A lot of the architects and decorators want a more arched look. They've come out with a new arched damper beam to where our masons that build these systems don't have to do it on site. It's already done for us.
Earthcore Industries is fully automated and produces about 600,000 individual components a year. It's all performed by 2 individuals because of Earthcore's advanced technology.
We're in the center of the control heart operation of our facility. This panel here controls everything that is responsible for making our mix and delivering it to our production machine. Everything is precisely measured, precisely weighed, and then it comes into a mixer where it's mixed and delivered via conveyor belt up to the hopper at our production manufacturing machine where we make all the blocks and the components.
So here we are in our inventory yard where we make our blocks out of pumice and the concrete. These are the finished products. And Tim, what are we running this week?
This particular component is the outer casing for our chimney flue. This is the inner liner that goes inside the outer casing to make it that safe system that you can burn 2,700 degree temperatures in your chimney flue and have wood right against the outside of it.
It's one thing to manufacture the product, it's another thing to ship the product, so when it gets to the end user's home in the construction area, all the components are on one pallet.
When a fireplace is ordered, the individual components are pulled from the yard and placed on a pallet in a specific configuration for easy storage. The pallet is then transferred to the packaging station, where the components are secured to the pallet with bands, and then shrink bag is used to hold everything together.
So now that you've seen our facility, you've seen our production side, you've seen our inventory, you've seen how the components go together and we put together the pallet of fireplaces in a kit, we can show you how to build a fireplace in typically 10 minutes.
In fact, Carl, I'll bet you dinner that I can take 2 office guys, Ernest and Kevin, and have them assemble this unit in less than 7 minutes.
You're on. Hey, well, Tim, you know, you got me beat. Dinner's on me, less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, maybe less than 5. I'll pick the spot for dinner.
Okay, let's go.
For more information on Earthcore fireplaces, you can log on to their website at earthcore.co.